Hello everyone! For those who don't know me, I'm Paulo Polezi, Finance Director and Investor Relations Officer at WEG. I'm here to present the highlights of the third quarter 2020. In this quarter, our net operating revenue grew 43.3% in comparison to the third quarter 2019. As a determining factor for these good results, I highlight the resumption of demand for short-cycle equipment, especially in Brazil, in maintaining the good performance of long-cycle businesses. In the domestic market, I'd like to highlight that the resumption of demand for short-cycle equipment occurred in all of our business areas. The commercial and appliance motors, paints and varnishes, and distributed solar generation businesses showed rapid recovery, reaching volumes at the end of this quarter similar to pre-pandemic levels. Important industrial segments such as mining, oil and gas, and pulp and paper had a good demand for long-cycle products. Our results abroad were also positive, especially for long-cycle products. We had a good performance in the T&D business in North America and also an evolution in the demand for industrial electro-electronic equipment, mainly in important projects in oil and gas, mining, and water and wastewater segments. The Chinese operations gained more evidence for the growth in the demand for the short-cycle equipment associated with the high industrial activity for the Chinese domestic market. Another highlight in this quarter was EBITDA, which reached a 61.5% growth over the third quarter 2019 with an EBITDA margin of 19.5%. The EBITDA margin reflects the rationalization of costs and expenses together with the improvement in margin in long-cycle operations in Brazil and also in some important operations abroad. All these actions contributed to the evolution of return on invested capital, our main financial indicator, which reached 23.3% in the third quarter 2020, with an increase of 4.1 percentage points compared to the third quarter 2019. I conclude with an important message. Despite the improvement in the business dynamics this quarter, we do not consider that the crisis caused by COVID-19 has been overcome. As long as there are uncertainties regarding the global economic recovery resulting from this pandemic, we will continue to take all necessary measures to minimize, as much as possible, impacts on our operations. Please take care of yourself. Thank you very much and see you next quarter.